Star Transit can interface with all common documentation configuration and content management systems, including for your company's website, for example. But what use is a translation without clear and consistent wording? Providing the correct terminology lets all translators know exactly what your company prefers to call something in a particular language. This is why Transit comes fully integrated with TermStar, the professional solution for sustainable terminology management. Unlike other translation memory systems, in which you have to create and manage a separate project for each target language, Transit can do it all in one and work with multiple languages simultaneously within the same project. Transit is multi-directional too, meaning you can use your translation memory in any language direction in subsequent projects. Another big advantage for companies operating on a global level is that if the target language of today becomes the source language of tomorrow, you can use your flexible translation memory for new language combinations. The Transit editor is without doubt a further plus, since it can process all common file formats used in desktop publishing, software localization, Office, XML, subtitling, and many other sectors. This means you can translate in a single working environment, and you don't have to get to grips with new file formats all the time. You can simply get started straight away. The context behind the text you are translating is always obvious too, since the layout preview shows you exactly where you are in a document at all times. When localizing software, text from dialogues and menus, for example, is read from DLLs and translated in the Transit editor. You can even edit the dialog boxes with ease and receive ready-to-use DLLs for your target languages at the end of the process. These too can be added to your resource pool, enabling Transit to edit the dialog boxes automatically with your next localization project. Star Transit is also a complete package when it comes to quality assurance, allowing you to configure the checking options to suit your precise needs. You can reuse sets of predefined settings at any time, and even send them to others. This enables translators and reviewers to easily locate the relevant points in the text within Transit, and then correct any errors in next to no time. Project managers can export quality reports in various formats at the click of a button. Users can configure special file formats and custom user interfaces effortlessly. And the wide variety of product versions and license models ensures that there's the right solution for everyone, from the time-limited single-user version for freelancers to the terminal server installation for company-wide use. Contact us to arrange a presentation date. We would also be delighted to give you a demo version of Transit to put to the test. With over 50 offices around the globe, Star has been the world's leading provider of services and solutions for translation and information management for over 30 years. Transit offers you a flexible standard translation and localization tool that never stops learning by doing.